What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can get a soft pull credit offer for a business loan from $5,000 all the way up to $2 million. So for today's video, we're gonna be reviewing Forward Line Financial. So Forward Line Financial has been giving out business loans for over 15 years. Their application process is very straightforward. You just enter in your business information and then you can load in your banking data through the Plaid platform. We've covered Plaid several times already. You're going to hear a lot more about this, and that's something that you're going to want to focus on. I get a lot of inquiries about business trade lines, etc., but going forward in terms of getting loans, a lot of financial institutions, not just fintechs, but large banks and mid-sized banks are adopting the Plaid platform. So they're going to be looking at your banking data. They could just use the Plaid platform, gather all of your banking data and analyze it. So going forward, you're going to want to focus on that. So Forward Line Financial uses the Plaid platform to analyze your banking data, and then they do a soft pull of your personal credit. And you're going to need a minimum of 6 months of banking activity to qualify. So 6 months of bank statements. So they're using a combination of business bank statements as well as your personal credit to decide what type of offer that you qualify for. So let's go jump over to their website real quick and I'll walk you through the process. So here we are on forwardline.com. You can get working capital for your business and receive a quick decision without affecting your FICO score. So just in terms of the process, as I mentioned, it's a very straightforward process we'll walk through in a second. Once you submit all of your information, as it says here, you're going to need to provide at least 6 months of business bank account statements. You can securely upload your statements online. They also use the Plaid platform. So they're using both. Even though they do use Plaid, you're still going to have to submit your bank statements and verify your identity. So you are going to have to provide like a driver's license or government issued ID. And once you submit your application, someone from their team will reach back out to you to finalize your contract. And then once you sign, you receive the cash in your business bank account. It's that simple. So, a couple of benefits of Forward Line versus banks and other lenders. You can apply within minutes and receive a fast decision, either online or over the phone. They have a wide range of different loan options. They do have a high approval rate, competitive pricing, and funding as soon as the next day following application. They've been established for over 15 years and they're active in the business lending space, even during economic downturns. That's a big distinction right there. A lot of lenders have frozen up when it comes to getting out funds to small businesses, just because right now a lot of small businesses are going out, but they're still 100% focused on small business, outstanding customer service rating, and reduced rates on future loans. So if you borrow one time, you repay successfully, you can get a lower rate the next time you borrow money. So to apply, all you have to do is hit this apply now. And again, as it says right here, it won't affect your FICO score. So on the first page, it's business information. So time in business, gross annual sales. So time in business, they have a drop down menu where you could select that, gross annual sales. The amount requested. And so, again, this amount has to be between a minimum of $5,000 all the way up to $2 million. Your industry. So they have a drop down menu of a bunch of different industries that you can choose from. And then your legal business name, business email, phone, first, last name, your business street address. Just make sure all of that information is the same that's filed with the Secretary of State where your business is organized. Then they ask you, does your business accept credit cards? So if you do, then you could select the amount or enter the amount of credit card receipts in the last 3 months and the lowest month of credit card receipts in the last 3 months and just hit continue. So, all right, so here we are on the second page of the application where you enter the owner's date of birth, the percentage of company ownership, so how much of the company that you own, and social security number, as well as the legal business structure. And they pretty much accept all types of business structures: corporation, LLC, sole prop, general partnership, nonprofit. So they pretty much cover everything. Now, I know a lot of people are going to ask, well, why do I have to put in a social security number? So right here, they state that they are required by federal law to obtain your SSN to verify your identity. All right, so now we're on the third part of the application. And so you can connect a bank account. So all you have to do is click here, link bank account, And as I mentioned, they use the Plaid platform. So you could use the Plaid platform wherever your business bank account is. You can log into that and then proceed from there. So the application has been successfully submitted. And right here, it just shows the financing amount applied. And then it also shows financing offered in A. So right now, they're evaluating the information through Plaid as well as the soft pool. And so they had just have a message that they're on it and they'll be in touch very shortly. So that's all you have to do. They'll reach out to you within a day to proceed with the next steps in the application. So I just wanted to share this process with you guys. If anyone's interested in applying, there's a link in the description. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.